What if just 30 minutes a day could bring you real paying clients? Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. You've got 10 to 30 days to completely transform how your business grows. We're talking about a proven, affordable, and highly profitable marketing strategy that's worked for countless business professionals, networking with referral partners, combined with permission-based follow-up. Let's break it down. One of the 5 foundational marketing strategies we recommend to every client is building a referral partner network. These are professionals in related industries who already have access to your ideal customers. Think about it. What if you had 10, 20, even 50 trusted professionals actively referring business to you? That's the power of a strong referral network. You don't just get leads, you get warm, trusted introductions. Finding quality leads on your own is expensive and time-consuming. But when a referral partner introduces you, the trust is already there. The conversion rates go up, and your cost per client drops to nearly zero. But it gets even better. We don't just help you build referral partnerships, we teach you how to stay top of mind using permission-based follow-up. Here's how it works. We help you set up weekly, value-packed emails and text messages that go out automatically, so your referral partners never forget what you offer and who you help. All this is powered through your Go High Level account, so it runs in the background while you focus on your business. Let's look at a real example. For a loan officer, the best referral partner is often a real estate agent. Agents constantly work with buyers who need to get pre-approved, but most agents don't have a go-to-loan officer. We help you change that by building a network of agents and using smart follow-up to stay in front of them every week. Imagine adding just one new referral partner every week. After a year, that's 52 people consistently sending you warm referrals. And we help you start quickly, especially in industries like mortgage, where we can connect you directly with professionals looking for partners. So, what exactly is permission-based follow-up? It's simple. Once someone agrees to be part of your referral network, you get permission to send them helpful content, offers, and updates via email and text. You automate that outreach, and you stay top of mind without lifting a finger after it's set up. And this strategy works far beyond mortgage. Whether you're a financial advisor, accountant, coach, or even a divorce attorney, if you build a referral network and follow up consistently, you'll grow your business without chasing new leads every day. Let's bring in a powerful visual. Your referral network is your circle of influence, the people who already trust you or are open to trusting you. Now imagine you have 10 referral partners, each working full-time, about 160 hours a month. That's 1,600 hours of exposure, of people thinking of you, talking about you, and referring to you. So why struggle to get the attention of strangers when you can build a network that sends you clients on repeat? We'll help you. Identify and connect with the right referral partners. Set up your automated permission-based follow-up. Deliver weekly offers that position you as the go-to expert. What do you think about this strategy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. And it starts with our 10 to 30-day challenge, your fast track to getting your first referral partner and building a marketing system that actually works. Ready to grow smarter, not harder? Schedule your free strategy call today. Let's build a business that grows through relationships. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client-getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.